guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 35. My lord, I have to admit that the deal was arranged by the butler of our mansion, Jin Shi, for my third brother. Do you think? Approach. Servants, go and bring the butler. This case is now clear. However, madam, this red coral was not found by me. This was all thanks to Miss Bansha. Oh? Child, how did you know that this South Sea red coral was stolen just with a glance? Admire. Tataas ang admiration niya. Mas lalo siyang magiging fit for the crown prince, diba? You flatter me, madam. The thief sold a valuable item at a low price and could not explain its origin. Even if it is not stolen goods, its source must be illegitimate. Diba, with a bow. Yan yung sinasabi nilang from a village na no manners. Ganda nga, mas may manner pa siya compare sa mga taga-city girls. I will remember this favor of yours. Feel free to ask for my help in the future. Marami na siyang sources, connections. That's good, Banshay. Madam, how could no one notice the loss of such valuable item in your mansion? I suppose someone intentionally concealed the truth. Oo nga, that's impossible na hindi yan nakita. Hindi nalaman it was lost. It was been taken away sa place nila. There must be an insider colluding with Jinshi in the madam's mansion. We must investigate. Nga naman. Ponder. Girl, I understand what you said. I will investigate it thoroughly when I return to my mansion. After Imperial Aunt returned to the mansion and was about to investigate the matter, a maid committed suicide out of fear. Ikaw ang dahilan. After a series of interrogations, the merchant from Outer Molia confessed that the coral was handed to him by Jin Shi, the butler of Marcus Yao's mansion, which matched Kang Zu's testimony. Jin Shi even specifically introduced him to the transaction with the third young master of the Marcus Yao's mansion, without telling him that the coral was stolen. He was eventually sentenced to 10 years in prison. Jin Shi had already fled, and all leads were lost, so they could only wait until the culprit is arrested. Layas jud to. When Marcus Yao found out about the matter, it was already dark outside. You brat, you almost caused your second brother big trouble. Ala, doon, iba na naman. Hindi yan, dapat dun ka sa butler. Ay, nako. Bobo ka talaga na ama. Sorry for the words, guys. Kainis lang eh. My lord, please stop beating him or he will die. Crocodile tears. Father, beat me instead. My brother can't handle it. Bansha, why aren't you saying anything? Binalik na naman nila kay Bansha. Our brothers went to buy that South Sea red coral for your sake. Father, my brother was indeed in danger for falling into a trap and made a huge mistake. Sige, ano kayong sasabihin niya? He deserves to be punished. You, Bansha, encourage father to hit me harder? Tikas ng ulo mo eh. Thump. As his sister, I'm willing to share punishment with him. From now on, whenever my brothers make a mistake, I will share their punishment. O diba? Sharing, hindi niya inako. Share kayo, syempre may mali ka eh. Share lang, hindi yung nangaako ka. Little sister. Sinong mas dramatic ngayon? Mas dramatic siya kaysa sa inyo, kala nyo. Kid, if it wasn't for your intervening in time, they would have already been thrown into prison. You should be rewarded, not punished. Father, please punish us. Yun naman pala, alam mo naman pala eh. Bakit mo sinasaktan yung third brother? Sila na nga dahilan. Father, since my younger brother made a mistake, as the elder brother, I should share punishment with him. Me too. Diba? Brothers, why are you doing this? What are you all doing? Have you all gone mad? Sa totoo lang, ikaw talaga may kasalanan sa lahat ng to talaga. Hindi mo alam paano tignan yung buong pamilya mo. Hindi mo alam paano alagaan yung mga anak mo. Hit them hard. Yes. Remember today's lesson. You disobedient brat. As long as they unite, there will be no obstacles they can overcome in the future. Relieved. Sana naman matauhan na yung third brother niya, no? Yushuang, you can rest in peace now. Ito yung second brother. Serves you right. O, diba? Napakaano nitong isa. O, bakit hindi ka sumali? Kala ko kapatid mo sila. Kala ko ba kukunin mo yung punishment for them? This beating has only deepened their siblings' bond. How are we going to sow discord between them in the future? Chinshi was brought from my natal family. My lord may already be suspicious of me. Yan talaga. Ano ka man talaga? Thankfully, the maid from Feng Manor was fixed by noble consortium. The merchant from Outer Mulye is unaware of the situation. The clues have all been cut off. Now, we just need to silence Jinshi and we can rest easy. Oh, really? Wali aso nga makumkum dai. Anyway, this is the end of the chapter. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.